Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Okta Verify for phishing-resistant authentication, complete guide step-by-step clearly. To begin authorization for Okta Verify, ensure you have the Okta app downloaded on your mobile device. Open the Okta app on your device. Log in using your company credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or Authorization section of your account. Look for the option labeled Security or Multi-Factor Authentication. Select Add a new factor. Choose Okta Verify. You will see a prompt to set up the application. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the pairing process. Next, open the Okta Verify app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon to add a new account. A QR code will appear on your computer screen. Use the Okta Verify app to scan the QR code displayed. After successfully scanning, your account will be added to the app. You may be prompted to perform a verification test. Complete the test by entering the verification code sent to your device. Once confirmed, your Okta Verify setup will be complete. You can now use Okta Verify for secure, phishing-resistant authentication. For added security, ensure your app remains updated and your device is secure. In case of issues, revisit the setup process or contact your IT support team for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.